For the first time, makakatikim na kami ng katas ni Mike. Hi mga Zoos! Welcome back sa aming channel. Kaya kung ikaw ay bago lang dito, alam mo na ang gagawin mo. Like and subscribe. At para sa ating vlog for today mga Zoos, tayo ngayon ay nasa kotse na dahil meron naman tayong pupuntahan. Wala nang katapusan itong pupuntahan natin. Siyempre kasama kayo sa journey araw-araw. At ito nga, since ang Skechers ay nagsiselebrate daw ng kanilang Family Week, isa kami sa mga naimbitahan nila para mag-pull out ng mga shoes for the whole family. Ibig sabihin yan, me, Andy, King, Aliyah, and Mimi. So ngayon kukuha kami ni Andy ng shoes at syempre para isuot namin siya. And we are so lucky na kami ay napasama dito sa kanila. Well, si Aliyah kasi, if you can remember, meron kaming vlog na puro Skechers yung kanyang pang PE shoes. And si Mimi, parang hindi pa. Tapos, nung nag-pull out kami before sa Skechers nun, I had a video call with Mimi. Tapos gusto niya daw yung shoes na pinapakita ko sa kanya from Skechers. So hopefully, nandun pa yung sapatos na yon. Meron kasi silang mga shoes na pambata na may mga cartoon character. I think, as I remember, may Frozen, may iba-iba. So sana mapili ko yung nandun pa nung kung ano yung nagustuhan ni Mimi. On the way kami ngayon doon. At alam niyo ba, fasting pa ako ngayon. Kasi after naming mag-pull out sa Skechers, tatawid lang kami doon sa Fogo de Chao. Kasi meron kaming dinner. For the first time, makakatikim na kami ng katas ni Mike. Katas ibig sabihin. Kasi never niya kami nilibre sa dinner. Yung kaibigan kong si Mike. So for the first time, babe.
Ilang years na friendship na kayo?
Oh my God, since grade 2.
Yeah.
Grade 2.
35.
Mike, ano na?
Years.
Thank you. At imbitahan mo kami dito. At yung Fogo de Chao kasi, bago yan dito sa Pilipinas, mga Zooms. Meron din kaming na-vlog before, na nagpunta kami sa US, na itong Fogo de Chao ay puro meat siya na buffet. So, meron silang light na green and red. So, pagpipilian mo yun, kapag green, non-stop silang magbibigay sa'yo ng meat, ng food, na kung ano yung naka-line up. Pag stop na, red na, ibig sabihin nun, ayaw mo na or busog ka na. So, hindi namin alam yun sa US nung umpisa. So, now, alam na namin. So, yun yung gagawin namin for today. Kaya ako nag-fasting kasi ang daming pagkain. Hindi ko lang alam kung parehas from the States tsaka dito. Sana parehas. Kasi talagang unlimited yung meat. And prime yung mga steak ha. Hindi siya basta-basta lang na I think mumurahin. Talagang expensive yung datingan. So, sana nga Mike, ito na yung expensive mo na treat para sa amin ni Aiza. Isama natin mamaya si Aiza at saka yung husband niya. Kaya tayo ay mabubusog tonight. At mga Zoobs, hindi pa natapos din yung araw namin. Though nagsisimula pa lang ngayon. Mahaba yung gagawin natin today. Kasi after naman namin mag-Fogo de Chao, sana kayanin namin ni Andy kasi kami ay magpi-pickleball. Kahapon kasi hindi kami nakapag-pickleball kasi umattend kami ng Misfit Philippines. Magpi-pickleball kami sa SM Marikina. And hopefully makaya ng katawan namin after namin kumain ng buffet na meat. Kaya ba natin, Daddy?
Yes. I'm excited for steak. We love steak and yeah, excited. I just really hope it's the same or at least close. Kahit close, okay na yan. But syempre big brand yan. Dapat, pantay yung flavors.
Sana same lang. So now, ito muna. Papunta na kami doon sa One Ayala. Doon kami magpo-pull out ng shoes. Medyo
in my eyes, I slept through the day. Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away. Push it away. Last night was fun, don't feel like today. Feel like today, let's do it again, let's go on a date. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all on those. Let's forget that we broke. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise a toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Might be the gin that's gone to my head. Gone to my head, feeling so busy.
Nice lighting. Ayan guys, this is it.
Tapos na kami sa Skechers.
Yeah, and we're about to hit Fogo de Chao. So we're just here. Ano to? Gloria de 4 ata?
Hindi ako familiar sa lugar.
Parang 4 from memory.
Yung 5.
So yeah, first time. Sana masarap.
Nandito na din daw yung mga kasama namin. Nagpa-park na sila. Since katapat lang ng Fogo de Chao ang Wanayala. Ayan! Hi!
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect
This is very momentous right here. Simple life.
You want to take out? Ay, wow.
Ayan guys. Ito lang sa elevator.
B1.
Yeah, iwan tayo.
Oh.
Busog. Nakunan na kami sa kotse. Ang dami naming dala. Nagpa-take out pa kaming bread para sa mga bata.
We also have pasalubong.
From Aiza kasi galing siya ng Taiwan.
But we can't show you the pasalubong.
Parking problems? Ay, nako. Ito na naman po kami.
Parang
Ako feeling ko dito eh. Ayan, mga zoobs. Nandito na kami sa kotse at pabalik na kami well, hindi ng bahay. Pupunta na kami sa pickleball. Tignan nyo naman, naka-change na si Andy ng outfit. At ako rin, nakapang pickleball na. Papunta na kami sa SM Marikina kasi doon yung game namin. Actually, kanina pa sila doon 7 o'clock. Pero sinabi nga namin na malilate kami today dahil meron kaming dinner. And gusto na yun, syempre magpasalamat sa Skechers kasi nakapag-pull out kami ng mga sapatos as a family. Si King, nakapili na siya ng sarili niyang gusto. Pang pasok actually yung pinili niya kasi all black. Required sa school nila na all black lang siya. May konting leather, pero rubber shoesy pa rin yung dating.
maganda yung shoes niya.
Maganda, oo.
Parang that was the first picture you sent. Sabi na.
Yun na agad. Tapos, yung mga bata din, surprise. So, binigyan ko sila ng options. Kanina, tinawagan ko, nag-video call kami.
Stay to the right to east.
Binigyan ko sila
Then use
ng
the middle lane
options.
to turn right to
So, hindi
Ayala
nila alam kung
and
ano
Song
talaga yung
North
kinuha ko.
Flyover.
Yes, Waze.
Use the middle lane to turn right to Ayala and Song.
Okay, Waze. On the way na. Alam mo na ba yung daan? Hindi pa.
Well, I'm just thinking where's gonna be the fastest.
So, gusto namin i-rate yung Fogo de... Ang pronunciation daw is Toshaw. Di ko alam kung yun talaga.
But
Fogo de Chao.
everybody else sa US calls it Fogo de Chao, diba?
Oo, yun din yung sinasabi ko kanina. So, tinanong namin. Fogo de Chao daw. So, hindi ko sure. Grabe yung kinain mo, babe! At grabe rin yung ininom mo.
It made me tired kasi
Puro steak, puro
steak.
meat. Actually, yung pinili namin, there's two options. Yung isa, full churrasco. Yung isa, indulgent churrasco.
with the lobster.
With the lobster. So, ang pinili namin is with the lobster.
And dessert.
With the
pala.
dessert kasi yon. So, magkaiba siya ng price. So, kung gusto ninyong i-check, yun yung options ninyo. Tapos, may kasama na rin siya mga appetizers. Ganyan. Sobrang daming meat. Unlimited talaga siya. And, hindi mo talaga makakain lahat eh. Talagang, susuko ka. Ako sumuko na ako agad. Though, this is my first meal. Pero yun din yung mali ko kasi pag first meal mo kasi hindi ka masyadong
dapat hindi mabigat.
Oo eh. Ang bigat kasi puro meat na siya. Though nagsalad ako, I had broccoli, I had yung pickles, may mga gulay-gulay ako.
You had starters.
Oo, nag-starters ako. Hindi na ako masyadong kumain ng masyadong maraming salad. Pero yun yung starters ko. Tapos dumating na yung meat. So nag-start na ako doon. Maaga akong nabusog. So, hindi ko din pinush yung sarili ko kasi yesterday, sobrang pinush ko yung gutom ko. Tapos, ang nangyari, ang dami kong kinain.
Yeah, last night.
Diba? As in talagang, pero yun, second meal. Pero nakita ko yung difference ngayon na first meal. Talagang sumuko ako dahil sa sobra na ring dami. Hindi prepared masyado yung tiyan ko. Tapos, syempre, inantay ko yung dessert. Ang daming options for the dessert dun sa indulgent churrasco na option.
But the food was really, really good. I was really impressed. It's probably one of the best food experience I've had so far in Manila. For me. Because at first, I was trying not to expect too much. Because syempre, we ate it in the US. And minsan when chains open in other countries, iba yung meat, so iba yung flavors.
Halos the same, di ba? Mas masarap pa nga eh.
Actually, some of it was
mas masarap
better.
pa.
So that's what I was really impressed about and happy about. So at least we know now, like when we are craving, yung, actually it's called parang churrasco. Diba?
Yeah, churrasco. And your drinks, nakailang drinks ka?
I had this pineapple mint lemonade. So if you guys want, because it's perfect with steak. It's sweet, but it's
parang
not,
mojito style, pero walang
mojito,
alak.
But that partnered with the steak,
ang sarap, refreshing.
Yeah, I had 3.
Ako naman, I had the Paraiso or Paradise Blitz. Parang iced tea lang siya na may touch of konting lime siguro yun or lemon. Ang sarap din. Yun nga lang, nilagyan ko ng mas maraming tubig kasi hindi na muna ako nga nag-sugar. So, mas nalalasahan ko yung tamis. So, yun din yung marirecommend ko sa inyo na bukod sa in-order niya, natikman ko din kasi, ako for me, mas gusto ko yung in-order ko.
And the service was really good. Like,
ang dami nilang tao.
And they were
accommodating.
They were so accommodating. They were all smiling. As soon as we walked in, diba?
Yes.
I was like, wow, this is really refreshing. Sobrang trained yung staff. Tapos, lahat ng questions mo, alam nila. Kahit bago lang, alam nila lahat. Diba? And the service, yeah.
Tapos nakita ko dyan, yung kaibigan namin before, ang kanilang head chef. Yeah. Thank you so much, Luigi, for taking care of us. Maraming salamat. And nice to see you. I hope you will watch our vlog. Kasi isa siya sa, syempre, mga nagmamanage at nagluluto din siguro doon, diba?
Sure.
Kaya gusto makakarating tayo sa pickleball ng hindi ganun katagal. Pero syempre, kakakain lang natin. 32 minutes pa din.
Talaga? Hindi naman.
Eh kasi nasa Guadalupe pa lang tayo. 32 minutes pa daw guys. So I still have 32 minutes to digest